In this video, we're going to be using a trap bar. Sometimes it's often referred to as a hex bar, and yours might also look a little bit different, but ultimately it looks like some sort of a cage for deadlifts, and the handles are outside your legs. With a floating deficit deadlift, we're going to be really working on your hip mobility and your strength. Mobility because you are in the deficit, but your strength because you're not going to be tapping or using any momentum by bouncing off the floor. You're going to go ahead and lower your weight just so it's past your feet and then stand back up. If your program requires a pause, that will be noted using tempo or some sort of note. But go ahead and follow all of your traditional deadlift form with this. Hips back, chest down, knees right above the ankles. Just make sure you stop right above the floor, really engaging that core and then standing back up. If you feel that your low back is rounding and you can't get low enough to do the deficit, go ahead and lighten the weight. It might just be that you have too much weight on the bar, or have a conversation with your coach and maybe mention that you're not ready for deficit.